They always win. Only there's a way we can win. There is. Who are you? I'm Trix, and there's a way that you can beat whoever they are, the people on the rock. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, we get what you mean. Carry on. Well, my boss is looking for new recruits. If you would like to join. You see, Coco. Everything the sun touches will not all be yours. So we only get to this small little village out there. Help! Help! What's that? Right, you two stay together. I'm gonna go and get the pod and check out what that was.
Okay.
Huh? Huh? There's nothing there. Huh? What? Did you see that? Yes. I don't know. I have no idea what it...